In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a LinkedIn Learning instructor. Have you ever considered sharing your expertise with millions of eager learners around the world? Becoming a LinkedIn Learning instructor provides you with the opportunity to do just that while engaging with a community of like-minded professionals. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to join this exciting platform. First, you'll want to navigate to the LinkedIn Learning Instructors page by visiting learning.linkedin.com/instructors. This is where your journey begins. As a potential instructor, one of the biggest advantages is the chance to work with top-notch instructional designers, producers, and editors. This collaboration will help you create high-quality learning content that can have a significant impact on learners worldwide. Imagine having a hand in helping millions of learners achieve their professional and personal goals. It's not just about sharing knowledge, it's about making a real difference in people's lives. LinkedIn Learning provides you with the platform to do just that, reaching a wide audience that spans across various industries and interests. Being part of LinkedIn Learning means connecting, engaging, and growing with an active community of other instructors. This vibrant network offers endless opportunities to learn from each other, share insights, and find inspiration for new courses and teaching methods. The community aspect is a crucial part of your journey, and one that fosters continuous growth and development. Furthermore, becoming an instructor can serve as a source of additional income. It's a rewarding way to earn money by sharing your knowledge and experience. Plus, this endeavor allows you to enhance your professional profile further, as having your courses featured on LinkedIn Learning can elevate your standing within your industry. Now, let's move on to the application process. On the instructors page, you'll notice a form located to the right. It's essential to fill in this form with all the necessary details, ensuring that you answer each question thoroughly. This is your opportunity to showcase your expertise, so take your time and present yourself as a confident and knowledgeable instructor ready to contribute to the LinkedIn Learning community. Once you're done filling out the form, go ahead and click Submit. After submission, your application will be reviewed by LinkedIn Learning. If your skills and experience align with their current content development needs, they will reach out to you with more information. Bear in mind that while LinkedIn Learning cannot respond personally to every applicant, your application might be kept on file. In the future, should a need match your qualifications, LinkedIn may consider you for an opportunity to instruct. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to become a LinkedIn Learning instructor. It's a journey filled with opportunities to share, connect, and grow. We hope you feel inspired to take the leap and become part of a community that's shaping the future of learning. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your path to becoming a LinkedIn Learning instructor.